We're good. All
All
right.
right. So I actually already went through all the questions.
Mm-hmm.
So do you want to start with the group meeting?
Yeah. So I guess we can just do you and I can just switch off with 1 and 2 and 3 and all that.
Okay, sounds good. I'll start.
Okay.
So number 3, use the following information to answer questions 3 and 4. On rare occasions, a medical procedure is performed on the wrong body part of a patient's body or on the wrong patient. These are called wrong site and wrong patient mistakes. Such errors occur hundreds of times each year across the United States. The medical community is trying to eliminate these errors, but had difficulty reducing their frequency in a small percentage of these cases. The patient files a lawsuit against the hospital. Philip Stayhill conducted a study on these mistakes and lawsuits that follow. 1, the data in the file of wrong site, wrong patient represent the amount of US dollars hospitals have been required to pay in wrong site and wrong patient lawsuits. Some of the values equal 0, indicating that the hospitals won the legal battle. And so I just put that into SPSS, and then I did to find the mean, I just highlighted all the wrong, well, I didn't highlight the wrong suits. I did I think it's called analyze, and then it's the first one.
Yeah,
the statistics or whatever, and then I just added the mean and stuff to it.
Yeah.
And so what did you get for that one?
Okay, so hold on. I did it, but I'm just having to switch up. So just hold on a second.
No, you're fine.
Sorry. I actually was going to the preparation assignment, so I opened that. So I'm like, oh wait, I gotta open up the other one. So
yeah, you're all good.
I'm really glad that it takes us through how to use the SPSS, though.
Yeah.
Because it was
I like the.
Go ahead.
I was just gonna say I like the videos a lot
that
you can watch to go through it.
It really helps to not be so overwhelming.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There we go, finally. Okay, so for the mean for that one, I got $80,041.24.
Okay. Did you do the wrong site or the wrong?
The wrong site. The wrong site one. What did you get?
Okay. I got 83,939. But
mean amount for wrong site lawsuits. Yeah,
maybe I did the patient then. What was it?
I got $80,041.24.
Okay, and then
to the nearest whole dollar, that'd be just $80,041. But
yeah, maybe I might have done the patient one.
Okay, just double check really quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it says wrong site frequency. I'm looking at the graph. I'll do the wrong patient one and see.
Oh, I did do the wrong patient one.
Okay.
So we're good. Okay.
So do you just put a dollar sign or just write 80,000.
I just do 80,000.
Yeah.
I didn't do the dollar sign.
Probably not even with a comma.
No, probably not.
So 80041. Okay.
So what'd you get for the standard deviation then?
So for the standard deviation, that would be 71403, or if we're rounding, 71404.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay. And then 5 and 6.
Hepatic angiosarcoma is a rare and usually fatal type of liver cancer. Studies collected on 4 individuals with this illness. Data represents their survival time in months: 5, 19, 1, and 3. What is the median survival time? So the median.
So median would be 3, or actually, the median would be in between what, 3 and 5?
Yeah, because we'd have to. So it'd be
4.
Because it's the average of the two numbers in an even set.
Yeah.
So the median time is 4. Okay, then the standard deviation. Okay, so we're gonna have to like calculate. Where do my pens go? Okay, calculate the standard deviation. And then the measures. That's gonna be S. So we get that. The average of the deviations. So we have to like, right?
So do we find the mean of the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
So
And then we have to find
7.
from the mean.
3 plus 1 plus 19.
Yeah, 28.
So the mean is 7. And then
Okay, so then if we were to count that, so we have 7, 1, 3, 5, and 19. And then we have to make a little table. So then we have so 1 minus 7, 3 minus 7, 5 minus 7, 19 minus 7.
I believe the standard deviation is like 8.16. But you can double check.
Yeah, because it added up to 0. So if we were to take the absolute, that'd be 36 plus 16 plus 4 plus 144. Let me just add it. $36. So the sum was 200, right? You got 200. And then we divide that by n minus 1. So we divide that by 3. You got 67 or 66.6.
Well, is that the, okay, so is that the variance of the standard deviation? Is it like variance?
So, okay, we're doing this. Okay, hold on. Standard deviation.
Because there's like different standard deviations, I feel.
Square the deviations from the mean, all the numbers together to get the sample variance. Yeah, so sorry, that was the sample variance. The standard deviation. Okay, tell me, sorry, say again what you got.
8.16.
Okay, so then after you got, okay, so walk me through what you did. I'm like.
So like I just, okay, So I just got confused because, like, my first number that I got was 50 because I did the mean, and then you, like, minus the mean from each thing.
Yeah.
And then you do
-6, -4, -2, and 12.
Yeah. You square all those and add them together.
200.
And then you divide by 4. And so I got 50 at first, but, like, that doesn't sound right.
Well, if you divide by 4, you get 50, but that's the mean absolute deviation. Wait, hold on. Not that mean absolute deviation. That is the
population standard deviation, right?
Hold on. Let me go back to the lesson.
I'm trying to look it up right now.
Because I remember they talked about that. Mean and standard deviation. Okay. The standard deviation is S and S. Okay. No, yeah, so we get the sample variance, but we take the square root of it, and that gives us a standard deviation. So I got 66.6 is the sample variance.
And so why do you do the -1 on it? Is it like?
Because that was the formula for it.
Okay.
Once you add all the numbers together, okay, yeah. You square the deviations from the mean, which is what we did. Then you add all those numbers together, but then you divide them by n minus 1. And that gives sample variance. And then to get, after that, to get the
and then you square root it, and it's 8.16. Okay.
Yeah. So that was the square root.
I did something right. Okay.
All right. Nowhere. Okay.
Yeah. Just gonna remember. Okay.
So 8.16. I just want to do the calculation.
Yeah, you're good.
And we take the square root of that. I don't like this. I was trying to use my phone because they have those little advanced things, but
yeah.
Have you ever heard of Wolfram Alpha?
Yeah, I've used that a few times.
I love that. It's really nice. Yeah, 8.16. So we're good. We both got the same thing. We know why we got it. Now
okay.
Where did my tab go for statistics?
All right, so are you ready to go on?
Yeah, let me just, okay, there's my iLearn. I was like, where did my iLearn tab go? Okay, 8.16. Oh, wait, to the nearest tenth, so 8.2.
Yeah.
Okay, from 7 to 9, 5-number summary from the wrong patient lawsuit costs.
Okay, so for the first number, you do analyze, and then you go down to something descriptives or something like that. It's 2 words. And then, have you done it yet?
I'm putting it in right now.
Okay. And then you just want to click to make sure it shows the percentiles.
Statistics, percentiles. Okay. So the first number is 3.1.
I got 0.00.
Oh, wait, hold on. What is the first number in the 5-number summary? The second number is 3900, right?
Yeah, that's what I got. And then for the fourth number, it's the 75%. So I got 50,436 and 50 cents.
Yes, I got those. Okay, wait for a second. For 5-number summary. When you added them in, did you add frequencies? Did you add in the percentiles? Like, did you write in like? Oh no, I just forgot to put the min and max. There we go. That's what I forgot.
Yeah. Okay.
Was 0?
Yeah, so I got 7 as 0.00, and then I got 8 as the 3,900, and 9 as 50,436 and 50 cents.
Yes.
Okay. And then 10, like, it doesn't give us like exact numbers, so I just looked at the box plot that it gives us. And it's like the decision time at red box. So number 10, what is the third quartile of the red box decision? And that's the very top one of the box, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I guess 180. I felt like that's around where it was.
Okay. It looks. Are we supposed to do it exactly though?
I don't know how we would do it exactly.
Yeah, that's kind of confusing.
Just a picture.
Mm-hmm.
And then 11, I did 720 because it's the longest observed time, so it's like the very top part. And then we can't find the mean of the box plot, can we?
Well, let's see.
Like, I think you can find like the average mean of the box plot, but I feel like we're not going to get a specific number because we don't know the exact quartiles. Or else you usually like add up the quartiles and divide them, I thought.
This one I wish it was a little more, because the way that it is, it's kind of like it's average. Like for the median,
Yeah.
like, okay, that could be like 110.
Yeah, well, that's the median.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like, I don't know.
I don't think it can be determined just looking at it because you would need to know all the values. Let's see. Yeah.
Okay.
I would agree with you. Isn't that elementary school? Just looking at the box plots.
Right.
Box and whisker plots. Remember that. Hold on, I just have to put in you can submit it. I'm just putting in the the number summaries.
Okay.
Second number.
All right, and they're all correct. So.
Fantastic.
Did you want to go over the part 2, or are you good?
It's up to you. I can. I mean, but we have our answer keys, but
yeah,
it's pretty
I understand it, so I'm comfortable with not.
Okay. Yeah, it was actually I'm enjoying this. It's pretty, I don't know, I like it. I don't know. What's your major?
I'm math ed.
Okay. So this is
What's yours?
I'm a nurse. I'm nursing.
Okay, cool.
Just going for my bachelor's now. But
so exciting.
Yeah, super exciting. Well, Anything else you want to talk about, or are you pretty good?
I'm all good as long as you're good.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Have a good rest of your day.
Thanks.
Night.
You too, and we'll see you next week.
See ya.
Bye, Amber.